Hi everybody, welcome to my video tutorial. I'm Lorena Peña and today I will show you an interesting website called Edmodo. As you know, nowadays teachers need a number of tools that help them to interact with other teachers and students. That's the reason why virtual platforms have become so popular. Well, let me tell you what's Edmodo. It is a social learning platform website not only for teachers but also for students and parents. These platforms have been marked as the favorite for the schools. Now, if you want to get a free account or one of your students want to do so, don't worry. Here I'll guide you step by step. Alright, first go to the website, type in edmodo.com, and in a few seconds you will see the main page. Here we can change the language into English. Once you are in the main page, you will see a small chart with the title Sign in to Edmodo. There you can sign such a teacher, student, parent or administrator. At the moment, we will learn how to create an account on Edmodo for teachers. Let's begin with the first step. Clicking on I am a teacher. Okay, select your title, write your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. This happens because I already have an Edmodo account. Then you have to agree with their terms and click on sign up. There is no email verification required to get you started on Edmodo. By later on, you will receive an email you have to click on. Remember, it is just to have in mind. As I mentioned before, I already have an Edmodo account, so let's go back to the main page and log in. I have to write my username or email, and my password. Then click on login. Edmodo is a website where you can find different communities and join them. Okay, here I have some of the communities I have joined. Let's click on language arts. Here we can find different posts from different colleagues that are following the same page. You know, teachers' life is very busy, and furthermore when they are full-time instructors. Thus, they give classes to several groups. Luckily, Edmodo allows you to create groups per each one of your classes. Let's see how to create a group on Edmodo. Let's go home. Here we have groups. Click here in the plus sign. Click on create. This is done in 2 steps. In the first step, you have to write the name of the group. For instance, pre-intermediate. Students. Select a grade. Select an area, in this case language arts, and select the subject English and click on create. The second step, you put a number of students you have, 11 to 15, and here you have a small chart to describe their group. for example, and then click on finish. Once you have created the group, you can see here the group code, so you can invite your students to join to the group. Now you are ready to share folders, create assignments, and get your classroom discussions going. Well, let's explore some of them. For instance, the teacher can write a note to your students like don't forget to read the chapter of the English book for tomorrow. At the same time, you can add a file, add a link, or add some file from the library and schedule the message, and then click on send. Okay, here we have the note. Also, we can have an alert. For example, if you want to remind the students something important, such as a quiz or the deadline of a task, and send. Also, teachers have other useful part of Edmodo, that is create an assignment. Let's do it together. Okay, well, first you have to create an assignment title like homework, establish the due date, for instance this one, January 29. Describe the assignment, log this assignment after its due date. Here we can have you can add a file, documents, for instance once the upload, you can send it. Here we have many other benefits, like doing a quick online or doing a poll, which is really interesting for the students. They really love answering polls. Okay, I have mentioned that we can upload folders or files from the library. Here we have the library. Now I'm going to show you how to upload documents. You have to go to the library, add to library, upload files. For instance, frequency advert board game. You can add a document, a picture, or whatever you want to upload to the library. In the student page, it is called backpack. Also, you can create folders where you can organize your work. You add here, you can create folders. Okay, add a folder, you upload, and you give click on add. Well, I think I mentioned the most important aspects about Edmodo, how to create an account, how to use it. Well, that's once you have an Edmodo account, you will learn more.